Alright guys. Excuse me. Alright, this is the second time. Whenever they do this in a show, they be like this. I'm a scary monster. What? My fridge is special. I don't know why. But like this. Let me tell you the reason why. It's because of this. That's the reason what that makes. Alright. See you, bro. How long would it take? 1,000 years. How long has it been for you two guys? I'm out of foot. So bye-bye. Oh. No, you dead. I like the 5. The colors. No, Alright, I'm gonna Oh, I don't know what to do. Oh. Alright guys, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Okay. What I'm gonna splash you somewhere. Cheers.